Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about experiment number 10, Viva questions on isometric projection. Question number 1, what is an isometric projection? The answer is an isometric projection is a type of axonometric projection where a 3D object is represented in 2D while maintaining equal scale along all three axes. This technique provides a clear view of the object's shape without distortion. Question number 2. What is the angle between the axes in an isometric projection? The answer is 120 degrees. You can see this image. Here three axes are there, that is AL, AD and AH. The angle between any two axes is 120 degrees. Here the three lines AL, AD and AH meeting at point A and making 120 degrees angle with each other. This is termed as isometric axis. So the answer is 120 degrees. Question number 3. In isometric projection, what is the angle between the isometric axis and the horizontal plane? The answer is 30 degrees. You can see this image. You can also see this image. Here I have taken one square plane. Here the isometric axes are AB or AD or AD or AB. This isometric axis makes 30 degrees with horizontal plane or horizontal line. Question number 4. What is the primary use of isometric projections in engineering? The answer is the primary use of isometric projections in engineering is to visually represent three-dimensional objects in 2 dimensions while maintaining accurate proportions. This helps engineers, designers and manufacturers understand the shape and structure of a product without needing multiple views. Question number 5. What is the term for the lines that are parallel to the isometric axis? The answer is isometric lines. You can see this image. Here AL, AD and AH. These are the isometric axes where the lines are parallel to this isometric axis, that is called isometric lines. Question number 6. What is the advantage of using isometric projection in engineering graphics? The answer is clear 3D visualization, maintains proportions, no perspective distortions, simplifies complex objects, easy to create and interpret, widely used in CAD and manufacturing. These are the few advantages of using isometric projection in engineering graphics. Question number 7. What tool is commonly used to draw isometric drawings manually? The answer is isometric grid paper, second one mini drafter, third one compass. These are the few important tools are commonly used to draw isometric drawings manually. Question number 8. How can you quickly switch between isometric planes in AutoCAD? Here three different methods are there. First one is using the FI key. This is the quickest method. The second one is using shortcut key, that is Control plus E. That means hold Control button and press E letter. Third option, using the isoplane command. These are the three methods to quickly switch between isometric planes in AutoCAD software. Question number 9. Which command is used to create an isometric circle in AutoCAD? The answer is ellipse command. From the draw panel in the ribbon and choose the iso circle. The shortcut key is EL enter, I enter. Question number 10. What is the purpose of using isometric drafting in AutoCAD? Isometric drafting in AutoCAD is used to create 3D-like representations of objects while working in a 2D environment. It helps engineers, architects, and designers accurately visualize designs without using complex 3D modeling tools. In the next video, we will discussing about experiment 11 Viva questions. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.